Okay, guys, we just arrived here at the next stop. It's Quilters Station in Lee Summit. So we're going to go in and check this one out, okay? Okay, this one's open Monday through Wednesday, 9:30 to 5. Thursday, 9:30 to whenever. Friday, 9:30 to 5. Saturday, 9:30 to 4.
We just
No
wanted
problem.
to introduce people to everybody's shop,
Yeah.
encourage people to come around.
Nice.
Yeah, sure. Okay, we're going to look around a little bit then. Thank you. Yeah. Wow, got a lot of stuff. A lot of notions and stuff, huh? Yeah. Wow, look at all the patterns. My goodness, babe. Everywhere you look. How many bolts of fabric do y'all guys have here? That would be curious.
Yeah, how many thousands of volts is it? 17,000.
17,000 bolts. Yeah, wow, that is tremendous. That is really cool. 17,000. All right, we're going to look around a little bit, guys. Okay, guys, we just finished up Quilters Station. They just didn't want to really let us show the quilts. That's fine. Over 17,000 bolts of fabric in here. Patterns. Oh, I don't know how many they had. It was tremendous. Nice shop. People were nice.
So what they had was cross stitch patterns, they had quilting patterns, and they had wool felt patterns. They had the largest selection of wool felt I've ever seen so far. They also had a huge embroidery section with all your thread, but not only that, just tons of fabric to cross stitch on. Very unique stuff. The fabric in there was very beautiful, and my goodness, it was everywhere. So it is you got to have some time when you come here. Hi everyone. So today, with revisiting the Quilters Station in Lee Summit, Missouri, we're going to make their block, which is this one. It's block number 57. This is my version of it. So I'm doing a little different. I'm making flying geese for these 4 spots, and the corners I cut a little different size, a little bigger, so that I can trim them down. Other than that, it's exactly as their pattern shows. So I'm going to get busy sewing it, and thank y'all for joining me.
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the revised version of Quilters Station's visit. And here is a sample of their block number 57. It was fun to make. This one was pretty easy. And I really do enjoy it in the pinks. So guys, if y'all get an opportunity, go by Quilters Station. They have 17,000 bolts of fabric in there, and it is an amazing shop to visit. And they have more than just fabric. It's just an all-around great shop to visit. So I hope you've enjoyed this. And remember, guys, to always be yourself.